That's a big yawn.
Go sit on the bench, then I'll come right back, okay?
Take a picture if you want. Take pictures or do a video.
I'm taking a video.
I'm playing ribbon now.
Do you have hiccups, Jasper?
Mm.
You know how old he is now? 13 days, almost 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm. What's 7 plus 7?
You tell me. What's 7 plus 7?
$15.
14.
So tomorrow he's going to be 2 weeks?
Yes. Remember he was born on a Tuesday? And tomorrow is Tuesday.